Umnisi utshele ikhomishana ukuthi akazange azihlole izinkampani zonogada ayelokhu ethunyelelwa zona usayitsheni Fani Nkosi ayefuna zibheke ukuthi zayisemathubeni angakanani ukuthi zigixabezwe ngamathenda kumkhandlu dolobha wase-Tshwane okubalwa kuzona inkampani yomfowabo kaNkosi. Umnisi usolwa ngokunquma ukuthi iziphi izinkampani ezazizonikwa amathenda okusebenzisana nomkhandlu.
I then clearly explained to you, unequivocally, Chair, that I cannot check compliance. This bid is closed. There's nothing I can do. You can only explain bid clarification matters subject to tenders closing. So there's nothing I can do.
Ngokusho kukaMnisi wayengahambisani nemiyalezo uNkosi ayemxina ngayo ngohlu lwezinkampani ayethi akamhlolele zona. Kepha lokhu kuyashayisana nemiyalezo phambi kwekhomishana.
I want to suggest to you that you were actually cooperating with Sergeant Nkosi. And when the names were given a second time, probably during the telephone calls, you had asked for the names again. And now he's giving you names so that there may be an award, and that award should be in accordance with or rather should be in the sort of priority that is listed on here, on that second last text.
Umnisi uphinde wakuphika ukuthi kunohlu lwezinkampani ezazigaqela amathenda azithunyelele umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema.
Deputy Chief Dlamini assumes that Mr. Malema has given you a list of companies in relation to this tender. You accept that? I'm not asking you at this stage if Mr. Malema did. I'm asking you if that is what this message shows the assumption to have been on the part of Deputy Chief Dlamini.
Yes, I accept that, SC.
Now, did Mr. Malema ever give you a list of companies in relation to this tender?
No.
Isidingo sizoqhubeka kusasa.